Advanced PR, a boutique PR agency based out in Gurugram. Advanced PR is a full PR service firm focusing on business communication and influencer connection. We help startups and businesses here to maintain their public reputation and increase their publicity through various media platforms and influencer connection through Instagram marketing. I have started my PR career through Gilby, and after that I worked with some boutique agencies to gain experience, enhance my skill, and after the 3.5 years of experience in the marketing industry, I started my own venture, Advanced. I have started this venture in November 2022. This PR industry has been always dominated by women because the skills that are required like soft skills, communication, connection, creativity, innovation are always pre-owned by us. Yes, my business experience in this industry is always like the other business owners is full of ups and downs. But yes, if I define the women-owned firms have always been faced some discrimination and numerous kind of problems that are very dissimilar to the male entrepreneurs. If I talk about the challenges that I have faced, then standing out in this male-dominated society is very difficult, and to get respect because of your work, irrespective of your gender, is also a task here. And if I need to define this my long journey in some words, then I can always say that yes, I have learned a lot from my past experience, I have grown up a lot, and now I am ready to express. I think awareness and motivation is the one major thing that we need to improve the gender equality, giving good access to education and economic opportunities. If we see the tier 1 cities, nowadays tier 1 cities are developed enough that the females have numerous amount of opportunities here, and they have good access to education, all their healthcare services, and they have equal amount of economic opportunities as males. But still, if we see into tier 2 cities, tier 3 cities or the remote areas, the females still face many discrimination in education, in healthcare services, and there are no economic opportunities for them. I myself belong to a small town. I find myself fortunate enough to have the good education and equal amount of economic opportunities. But still, I have seen a lot of people there who are facing discrimination. And in my opinion, relocation is one of the major factors that the girls are facing, lack of access to education, healthcare services and economic opportunities. So if we want to gender equality in terms of these services, I think we should work in remote areas, tier 2 or tier 3 cities to give the good education there only, so that they don't need to relocate, give them equal economic opportunities there so that we can improve this gender equality. It has proved a lot of time that women in the leadership role has done an incredible job. Many surveys and a survey of Fortune 500 also stated that women in the leadership role has given more ROI to a company, return on investment, as compared to the male leadership positions. Despite of all these facts, all these surveys, we see the women in the leadership role very less. The reason can be a lot, but the most prominent reason that I can see is they have to manage their work and family all together. So if we want to increase the number of women in our leadership roles, then we need to give them a little bit more flexibility. We need to improve our workplace policies so that they can manage both the things together. We also need to set a different sex ratio so that the more women can also participate into the leadership roles. Everyone deserves to be financially independent. After a long struggle, when women are now financially independent, but we all know that most of us are not financially literate. Our finances are either managed by our fathers or husbands or someone in the family. So now on this theme of Embrace Equity, this Women's Day, we can help each other to make ourselves financially literate, because it's equally important and equally useful for us to as like financially independent. I can only say that leaving a 9 to 5 job and taking this 24/7 job can be very, very difficult, but yes, I believe it will be worth it one day. You will always learn new things, you will evolve yourself, you will grow, and that will lead you to the new height of success. And in the end, I would like to wish all the very best and a very prosperous future to all the budding entrepreneurs. In the end, I would like to thank the CEO magazine who gave me this opportunity to share my story with all on this platform. This kind of initiative from the CEO magazine to recognize the small entrepreneurs or new entrepreneurs will give them a new confidence. I would really like to thank them again, and I'd like to wish every woman out there a very happy Women's Day.